Hi travellers, today we're taking a look at this here, which is the Acebeam UC3A. Now this is quite an interesting light from the company Acebeam, as you can see here. It has 900 lumens. Now this has just been released today, the 17th of May. And we'll just take a quick look around the outside of it first. It's made from this aluminium and it's a nice orange color. So this first button here turns on the main lights. This second one interacts with the RGB. So when you tap it once, it turns it on. Tapping it again turns it off. When you do press and hold that, it adjusts the brightness level. When you double tap, it changes the color. And double tap again and it will make it flashing. So it does have a few different colors. That's red, there is a green flashing, blue flashing, and then it kind of police red and blue flashing. My favorite one is this one though, and it's a bit harder to see. It's kind of hard to see, so I'll just turn it on the brightness. But it's sort of this flowing rainbow pattern, which is really quite interesting to see, and in person it looks really interesting. I feel like there could be, other features built into this LED here. For example, I couldn't figure out a way, and in the instructions it doesn't show how to show the battery level percent. So you don't know how much charge you have left unless you basically take out the battery, which I'll show you in a moment. But I feel like there should be a way to show the battery percent on this LED because it is an RGB LED. So that would be quite an interesting thing to show the battery percentage, like as this is a bar of percent, so like full is up to the top and halfway would be like half charge, for example. It does also have this clip, which is very nice on the back, very secure, and there's a magnet here, so that makes it great for when you want to attach it to surfaces or fridges or metal surfaces. And the magnet is strong enough that it holds it upright, so if you're on a flat surface it will hold it upright and it won't fall off no matter which way you put it. Like some other ones that I have reviewed. Now if you open this battery compartment here, so that's actually the magnetic part there, and then inside is the battery. Now the way you charge this is you charge the battery itself. The battery has a tiny little USB-C port there at the top, which is probably the smallest battery that I've ever seen with a USB built into it. As you can see there, it is very small, but a USB does plug into that, so it's a very interesting way to charge. So this does have a little LED light there on the top, so you can see the percent of when it's charged, and it turns red or green when it's charged. Because there's a magnet that actually holds the battery in place there like that, and then you just go ahead and screw that on. Now it is also water resistant, drop resistant. You can see there's a little rubber stopper there. And in the box they include a few extra things. So we'll just take a quick look at what's in the box. So in the box you do get a USB charging cable. You also get some warranty cards, and you get the instructions, which, as I mentioned, don't show a way that you can see the battery percentage, which is interesting. And then you get some extra rubber stoppers and a keychain if you did want to attach the keychain here to attach it, like a little hook there, so if you want to hook it on your bag, for example. So I will just turn the lights off as well and show you some examples what this looks like shining into the backyard at night. It does have different brightness settings, as you can see here. So the main one is 9 to 400 to 90 lumens, medium is 210 to 30 lumens, and low is 80 lumens. And there's also an ultra low at 4 lumens and a strobe light as well. Now to get to those settings, it's a matter of like tapping once and then pressing and holding to adjust the brightness, and then double tapping or triple tapping to get to the strobe. So that's it, a quick look there at the Acebeam UC3A, very new light, just came out. I do like it very much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.